All right, I'm going to go through some of the features and the operation of the EMME 60 Destemmer Crusher by Zambelli. Now, the features and the functionality of this are the same as that of the EMME 120 and the EMME 200. This has got a maximum estimated output of 6 to 8 tons per hour. Obviously, with the variable speed controls, you can reduce that, but you know, why would you want to? The 120 has got a estimated maximum output of 12 to 15 tons per hour, and the 200 an output of 20 to 24 tons per hour. Now, all of the EMME destemmers from Winemaker's Depot, as well as the FE50, which is kind of the stripped down little brother to these, which has got an output of 3 to 5 tons per hour, but all of them come from Winemaker's Depot with the Must Collection hopper, which is super convenient. So to start this up, you go over here, flip the switch on. Once you see that white light come on, you hit the green button. Now you'll notice right now, you've got the destemming drum and shaft engaged. To adjust the speed of that, use this knob right here. This controls the variable frequency drive. So you can see the speed of that being adjusted as I move that knob back and forth. Now the Infeed Auger, you engage with this switch right here. And this has a mechanical variable speed control, so if you turn this to the right, see the minus sign, that reduces the speed. As you turn it to the left, that increases the speed, as you can see it doing right now. Now, down below here, you have the first juice recovery port. Now this is taking the juice from all the grapes that hit the auger. So as they come in here, before being crushed, before it being destemmed, that is going to be your premium juice. That's all being filtered out or being drained out through this port. And then down here, you have the crushing unit. Now the crushing unit, as you see right there, is a set of soft rubber rollers. They're EPDM rollers. The depth of those, or how close they are together, can be adjusted with these two knobs right here. You move them in. If you have smaller fruit, you back them out. If you have larger fruit. Now, this can also be completely bypassed using these latches right here. And I'll show you real quick how to do that. Now, to bypass the crushing box, you just flip these latches right here on the back. Now that puts these rollers here right up on that rail. You go around to the front, and you do the same thing. You'll want to unplug this and slide that out of the way. Now, if you're doing whites, or you just want to ferment within the skins, do a carbonic fermentation, you can do that by bypassing the crushing box. Now, within here, we're going to flip these up. Now, all of these have got contact sensors, so if you don't have those latches engaged, the machine will not operate. So you've got assisted lift with hydraulics right there. You have a clean and place system all the way through here, which takes a 1/2 inch hose right there. But you have a graduated destemming drum. So you're getting the first, again, the prime juice coming out the front. The majority of the grapes, the smaller grapes, the runs for the litter more or less off the back. The stems come out of this chute back here. And internally, you have these adjustable soft destemming paddles. So these can all be adjusted based on your grape size, your grape type, really to your preference, but they're set at the factory to the most common use. The destemming shaft is also easy to remove with these quick release latches right here. This whole thing is just extremely easy to disassemble and clean out if needed. Now, The Must Collection Hopper. Also show you how that operates. Now, this is, like I said, it's extremely convenient to have. We sell a lot of these either standalone or with our peristaltic pumps, but it's a motorized unit, and I'll show you how that operates as well. Now, the Must Collection Hopper here, like I said, it's motorized. It's got an infeed or an outfeed auger, depending on how you want to look at it. Typically, you just hook your pump right up to that, and this provides a continuous feed of your destemmed or your destemmed and crushed grapes to your pump. All it takes is hitting this black button right here, and there you have it. Like I said, we sell a lot of these either as standalone units or with other pumps. They're super convenient to have, whether you're going from your destemmer, whether you're going from your whatever you're using for harvesting. Just having this with the feed to your next step is, yeah, it's great to have. Also a note on the inlet here, the infeed hopper. These have got hopper extensions which extend the height for it's another about 20 inches. If you're not using an elevator or you're not pumping your grapes directly into here, or if you're not using some way to tilt your macro bin into there, it's extremely convenient to have those extensions. Increases the capacity or the volumetric capacity that you can have for loading grapes in there. Anyways, there you have it, an EMME 60 Destemmer Crusher by Zambelli.